Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create GNG letter logo with a simple tricks, so let's get started. First take the line segment tool, and draw a line, then copy it to the right. Then select 2 of this line, then copy it 9 times by hold Alt and Ctrl D from the keyboard. Now delete 2 of this line from the both side. Also we can extend the line a bit, so that we can place the circle perfectly. Now take the circle tool, and draw it from one side to another side. And place it to the middle. Select the circle, go to Edit, Copy, and paste it to the front. Then scale the upper circle a bit. Now take the line segment tool again, and draw it from the middle. Then copy it to the up, and down. Now select the inside circle and copy it, we will use this circle later. Select all the line, take the shape builder tool and start drawing like me. You can use this grid to make any letter, just explore it by your own. Okay, we already make letter G, now go to Edit, and paste it to the front. Basically we paste the circle, what we copied before. Now scale it 2 times just like me. Now zoom in a bit, and unite the small part. Do it from the both side. Again select all the line, take the line segment tool, and unite the letter N. Okay, so this is our final logo. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a like and comments. See you in the next video, have a great day.